Welcome back, PNP fam. This is Jada. I'm back with a video. This is about my hair because why would I come on here looking like this? But anyways, I'm gonna show you how to go from this to this. So let's get into it. I want you to like, share, please subscribe to our channel because we're new to YouTube and we just want to spread the love, that Parker love, you know. Peanut gone somewhere, but you know, it'll be alright. And don't let that shrinkage fool you, because I ain't bald head, alright? First, we're going to use some Sulfur 8 because the girl need her edges fully grown back, okay? Okay. Don't worry about the smell. It's just going to grow your hair back. But yeah, you're going to put that on your edges or whatever. I don't know why my massage or shit, but yeah. And another fact about me, I don't like doing my hair when I have my rings on. I don't know, I just feel like everything get in my rings, so I'm gonna take them off. I don't like that. That's just me. I never do my hair with my rings on. But yeah, I'm gonna use that on your edges. Then I use this Cream of Nature. I love Cream of Nature. They work best for my hair. Yep, shake it to activate it. You're gonna do this to it. Change colors on it. It's Strength and Shine leave-in conditioner. Spray that up there or whatever. Shit, I'm natural. Damn, man, it's all cussing. I'm natural, so you know I use a lot. Baby need moisture. If only y'all can hear that crunch. Not bad if you hear something blowing. That's the heater. I gotta keep the heater on me at all times. It be cold in here. The haters too. Next, you're gonna need a spray bottle with warm water. You know, whatever you like, okay? And you're gonna add some of this in here. This is also, you know, they YouTube to do this. But Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner is very, very good. Very lovely to the hair. Okay? Trust me. I won't let you down. Okay. I already added some in my water, but like I said, I'm black. I like a lot, just like I like a lot of seasoning on my food. Okay? Gonna use this much. Rub it on there. Rub it on there. Oh, God. Make sure you touch all of your hair. I'm talking about all of your hair. My hair's so thick, like, don't make no sense. But it's already soft. See, that's what I love about Cream of Nature. And this water bottle, it moisture. You see that little mist? Basically, I spray. And I spray. Look like snow up there. When you see it look like snow, that's how you know you're good to go. Hey, girl got bars too. Alright. You wanna rub it in? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Somebody come look at it. You wanna get it all in there. You already see the hair coming out. You feel me? But that ain't enough. That ain't what I want. I want that bow. Wow. Basically, you can get that up there, alright? You can use whatever oil you want. I used to have dreads, but that's a story for another day. But I love this oil. It's black castor oil by Jamaican Mango and Lime Company with peppermint, and it works wonders. And this one too is by Grow Mega Thick Formula Hair Oil. It smells good, works lovely. It'll give you everything you need. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix my oils together. Okay. You see that? All right. About 5 little drops in there. Hair was on my lip. Rub it together. And rub it on your hair. And you're almost to that last step. You're almost to that last step. Hey, Bryson. And that was Bryson, just waking up. Alright. Like, my hair is soft, wet, but it still ain't manageable yet. Alright. And last year I did a big old chop. I'm talking about, I cut my hair down like low. Like I'm talking about really low. Like really low. Whew. Hi. I'm back. And I really just section my hair into like 3, to be honest. The back, I just boom and boom, okay? And that is really how I get it out there. You can use a comb, brush, whatever. I really don't like using combs on my hair. That's just me. Take this little brush or whatever. Please start at the ends, because you're just going to break your hair off. And that ain't good for you. Like, I learned a lot after I cut my hair. Please just start at the ends. It'll save you some hair. 3 hours later. Alright. My arms hurt. That was a workout, but I'm gonna take this from back here because I'm gonna start in the back. You know what I'm saying? We just gonna put this up too. Okay, I'm like a little girl. That's crazy. I might wear this one day. But no, let me stop. Take your blow dryer. This is the best blow dryer ever. To me, in my opinion. It comes with the tangler comb, the red piece in the middle. And it really like, it get in there. It get in there. I don't put mine on high. But I do put it on high. I just don't put it on hot. I put it on warm. So, let's blow it.
Got him! Got him!
Let's see if you see a difference. Well, of course, it ain't all the way dry yet, but you know, when it get down, like you see the difference, you know. Save your money, save your time, save your energy. I feel like if you could do something yourself and do it, you can save your money that way. So, who needs somebody when you have somebody? I like that. I like that. Let's go. So you're gonna do this throughout your whole head, alright? Do it throughout your whole head. I'm hot. My arms hurt. Boy, this where these guns come from. This hair. Believe it or not, but this the last little piece. You know, I can't lead y'all wrong. But let's finish this up. Hair getting too long, baby. Woo! Forehead on. Whoa. Okay. Alright, so I think you done. You're gonna put the blow dryer on the cool setting and you're gonna go through your head. If you feel any coolness, then it's not dry. Baby girl, what is you doing? Alright, we done. I don't know how I want to style it, but I just want to show y'all how I blow it out. But y'all, I used to be bald headed this time last year. I'm talking about chill. But yes, this is how you do it. You know. So basically, this is the finished look. I told myself I was gonna stop wearing the little, you know, the little band around my head until a little puff, because you know, when you have inches like this, baby girl, you don't even need all that. You feel me? But that's it for this video. Please like, share, subscribe, ladies. If you got any questions about any products that I use, feel free to comment down below, and I will respond with a timely manner. And you know, Black power.